It was very surreal and fun, and that's the joy of filmmaking. Open the door, and you never know what you're going to find in there.
When I heard that Tim Burton was doing Dumbo, it seemed like such a beautiful marriage of a kind of magical, fantastical material and a director who's so renowned for his artistic virtue.
There's that kind of whimsical part of Tim that comes out. The colors that he chooses and the way his palette is.
His world is always so poetic and very funny, very moving, sometimes a bit dark, but always in a beautiful way.
Every one of Tim's films has been unique for me in that way. I have to find the tone of this world that he's inhabiting.
You know, and it's Tim Burton, so yeah, just sit back and enjoy it.